Welcome to our channel. Talk in English. Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing well, just having a busy day. How about you?
Same here. Lots of work to do. I barely had time for lunch.
Oh, no, you should take a break. It helps you stay focused.
You're right. Maybe I'll take a walk after this.
That sounds like a good idea. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my family. It's been a while since I've seen them.
That's nice. I'm just going to relax at home, catch up on some shows.
Ooh, that sounds fun. What shows are you watching?
I'm watching a new crime series. It's really interesting. You should try it.
I love crime shows. I'll check it out tonight.
Awesome. Let me know what you think.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Enjoy your weekend with your family.
You too, Mike. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Fluent and bright. Speak English, right?